Welcome everyone to ESC Variety Vlogs, and today we are here at Sriracha. It is a district of Chonburi Province, east of Thailand. And the purpose really why I chose this place to stay this holiday is there is a Filipino restaurant in the area. So in Thailand you can just find a Filipino restaurant like in Bangkok or in Chiang Mai. I don't know, yes, in Phuket there is, but it is very limited around the country as it is very expensive also, to put up a restaurant. And in Bangkok actually there are a lot of choices. I think around almost 10 choices in Bangkok, but I would like to try the one here in Sriracha because in the review it is famous. So I intentionally stay in this place for like 4 nights, and the only purpose there is to visit that restaurant and to try their food and try to follow ESC Variety Vlogs as I'll be going to that place today. And let's go! And that is the 7-Eleven there, and they said just directly behind that 7-Eleven. And don't forget guys, this is close to the post office. So that is the landmark of the Filipino restaurant that we have to go to, and we have to cross now. So here is ESC Variety Vlogs. Found the place already, and it's not difficult to find as I told you. Just follow the directions, and I'm here. And I ordered this because I will not be eating like rice as we are like avoiding too much carbohydrates, but pancit is carbohydrates anyway. And I have the pancit original Filipino recipe, and I have the spring roll that we have. It is very delicious also, and it's very famous for celebrations in the Philippines. Lumpia, and of course my favorite is the bangos, and no rice. Okay, wala tayong rice, so this is mukbang without rice with Filipino foods, which I really miss a lot. So samahan niyo akong kumain, and let's have it. Sarap. Mga kaibigan ko dyan, living Chonburi area, you will know later where there's a restaurant. Ang sarap. Nood lang kayo dyan ha. Samahan niyo ako hanggang matapos. Ang sama ano. Time now here is like 4 o'clock to. Hindi ako talaga kumain ng lunch because I want to be hungry and come to this restaurant. So this will be my lunch and also my dinner na. Sarap ang sausaw sa maanghang, di ba? This is the lumpia, and we also have lumpia in the Philippines na lumpiang bad. And we have fresh lumpia also. Kakamis ang pagkain Pilipino once you're abroad. And we are so lucky here in Thailand because there are few Filipino restaurants. Like in Bangkok we have around, I think around 10. And Chonburi area is so lucky for having this Filipino restaurant also. Kasi kahit kayo mga OFW na nanonood nito, aminin nyo naman, di ba, nakakamiss ang pagkain Pinoy. Lalo na for those people na di marunong magluto. Ako naman, marunong ako magluto, but I'm avoiding the kitchen nowadays. Alam nyo yan, since the time that nagbawas ako ng timbang, di ba? So, iniwan ko muna yung kitchen. But of course, hindi mo yan maiiwasan talaga na you'll miss the food, especially when you can remember mga fiestas like the one, festivals, birthdays in the Philippines, weddings, nandoon yung mga pagkain na tulad dito is pancit na palaging nandyan sa mga birthdays once nasa Pinas ka. And then the lumpia na very common in the Philippines also, mga birthdays and any celebrations. So nami-miss mo talaga. It's not just, hindi lang jowa yung nami-miss, ano, pati pagkain na din. And it has a crispy pork. At one thing, the owner is, first time ko pa lang siyang na-meet, pero I have that instinct na sobrang bait na may-ari. Yun bang hindi ka naasiwa kausapin. Kasi I've been to several Filipino restaurants already and we cannot deny that some really is, andun mo yung taas kilay agad. Yun bang, parang pag-hi mo doon sa may-ari, parang nahihirapan ka. Ganun. But the owner of this restaurant is really, pagbukas pa lang yan ng pintuan, nandun yung smiling face ka agad, doon na yung best in entertainment, ganun. So which is very accommodating. Try natin mamaya kung pwede natin makausap dito. Sarap dito. Or, na-miss ko lang talaga. Nag-o-open siya dito ng buffet every Sunday. Feeling ko talaga, isa sa tao na masarap samahin pag kumakain is Kate Madhouse. Kasi nga, di ba ano siya? Sabi nga niya is marupok siya. Pagdating na may pagkain, ayaw niyang aatrasan. Kasi mas nakakahiya kapag hindi nakakain yung inahahain sa'yo. So, masarap siyang samahin pagdating mga dito kainan. Try muna natin ang bangus, ha? Ten years na rin ako hindi nakakain ng bangus actually. 10 years. I think since pandemic time. But this is not boneless. Yun na nga, may buto talaga. Sarap. Di ba parang feeling ko nasa Pinas ako. Sarap ng pagkain. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa inyo, di ba? Once I can go home and you will be with me, I'll be very happy already when there is bangos. Lalo na kapag yung bangos is inihaw and then ang daming ingredients inside. Yung sa tiyan, punong-puno ng mga like kung ano-ano man nilalagay sa tiyan, di ba? And then ihawin yun, binabalot ng foil. Dito pa rin tayo, kinakain natin itong pancit kasi kailangan ubusin natin to at hindi ako nagtanong ng presyo habang ako nag-order. So, honestly, I don't have an idea if how much per order. So, sana naman di ako ma-shock later kung magkano to lahat. Kapag kasi kumain ka, don't think of how much you're going to spend. Ang isipin mo is kung nag-i-enjoy ka ba doon sa food na in-order mo and the lasa ba is okay for you. So dapat doon ka nakapokus sa lasa plus the pagkain, not to the price. Which is ako, with this lumpia, it's perfect. Yun nga lang, mas masarap kumain ng lumpia kapag kasawsaw mo nito, isusubo mo sa kanya. Ayun, di ba? Iba pa rin pag may kasama kang kumain and then susubuan mo ng lumpia. Di ba? So, sarap yun. Yun guys, we are so lucky at naimbitahan natin yung may-ari ng restaurant and we can talk to her and ask her few questions as to this restaurant. And of course naman, kababayan natin yan. So, kausapin natin. And we are so lucky nga because pumayag siya na makasama natin. So, tawagin na natin. And guys, we would like to welcome ang ating... Ano pong pangalan ni Nanay?
Nanay Wina.
Ayan, that's Nanay Wina, the owner of this restaurant. Siya pong may-ari and taga saan po kayo nanay sa Pilipinas?
Cagayan Valley po.
So Cagayan Valley siya guys, and not Cagayan de Oro City. Because Pilipinas, we have Cagayan Valley, Tuguegarao area, the north, and then di pa ako nakarating dyan. And Cagayan de Oro City. This pancit actually is Ilocano, ano siya, inspired pancit, which is masarap. Ang Ilocano area na puntahan ko is vegan, ganyan, Ilocos area, which is napakasarap din ng pagkain. Kailang taon ka na nanay dito sa Thailand?
12 years.
12 years na po siya guys.
Ang restaurant natin, isot ko ito na ha? Ang restaurant na po natin is 6 years.
So 6 years na, and then may anak kasi siya dito nagtuturo, that's why hindi mahirap para sa kanya to have this business kasi may anak siya dito na naka-Nandi, ganyan. May anak siya nagtatrabaho and maybe, I just don't know kung may partner siya na Thai.
May anak din akong nag-asawa ng Thai.
Ayun! So, hindi ko na may tanong kasi dito kasi sa Thailand, the moment na magpatayo ka ng ganito, you should have Thai partner kasi pag kuha mo ng license, dapat may partner ka na Thai. So, it's easy para sa Nanay Wina kasi may anak siya nakapag-asawa ng Thai, which is congratulations naman dyan. And 6 years na imagine yung restaurant ha. So it means kumikita siya guys. Kasi kapag hindi naman kumikita, within 1 year, i-close mo na yan. And congratulations sa ating nanay. Kailan ka last po nakauwi ng Pinas?
From Hong Kong na ako kasi.
So from Hong Kong, dito ka na dumirid. So,
13 years na, hindi ako nakauwi.
oh my God, 13 years. Ako 3 years pa lang din nakauwi ng Pilipinas. Para na akong may punishment. Ating nanay isang tagal-tagal na din nakauwi ng Pilipinas.
Ang lesson po, pagka palagi kang uuwi, wala kang mag-ipon.
Yun lang talaga kasi di ba napakagastos pag umuwi ka ng Pilipinas. And ako nga actually nanay, ako kapag hindi ako umuwi ng Pilipinas, mas prefer ko na pumupunta ng ibang bansa. Kasi mas nakakatipid ka eh. Ako, umuwi ka kasi ng Pilipinas, kapag nagbigay ka dito sa kamag-anak mo na ito, pinapakain mo dyan, kailangan pakainin mo lahat. Kasi may silusan na mangyayari, di ba? Pero miss mo na ang Pilipinas for sure.
Maubos ang pera mo pag lagi ka.
From nanay yan ha. Maubos. Which is totoo yan ha. Lahat ng OFW watching this one, nakarelate tayong lahat dyan. The moment na uwi kasi tayo ng Pilipinas, you have to consider talaga na malaking gagastusin mo. Kasi nga naman, di ba, Filipino culture is nandoon yung kailangan party, kailangan ganun, magbigay ka, which is nasa atin kasi yan talaga. So, ating nanay is hindi po siya nakauwi ng katagal na. But, ang kaganda naman sa kanya is andito yung mga anak niya. So, hindi siya ganun ka-homesick. Kasi kung wala naman dito yung mga anak niya, for sure, homesick ng ating nanay na 13 years hindi nakaka-uwi. Siyempre yung mga kanyang kaibigan sa Tuguegarao, kanyang mga kapitbahay, namimiss din yan kahit paano. So yung pagluluto nanay, bakit mo siya natutunan?
My mother is a cook.
Transmitted from mother, from parents, papunta sa kanya, which is common yan sa atin din, di ba? Kapag ka-teacher ang nanay mo, maging teacher ka rin. So yung nanay niya magaling magluto, so sa kanya napamana.
At saka nagtrabaho ako sa Singapore, Hong Kong kasama.
Kaya naman pala. No questions, bakit ganun kasarap yung mga luto mo? Kasi cook in Singapore and cook in Hong Kong. So sigurado nami-miss ka na nung boss mo doon sa Hong Kong and Singapore.
From Hong Kong to Thailand.
From bali Singapore ka, then lumipat ka ng Hong Kong, then from Hong Kong to Thailand na. So wala ka ng balak lumipat pa na ibang bansa. Going home for good na siguro.
No, dito na.
Ayaw na talagang umuwi. Salita na yan guys ha. Pero ako uwi ako talaga. At kailangan ko kayo umit. Oo, mahirap na kasi actually yung place mo is napakaganda ng location. So kapag kabitiwan mo to, hirap makahanap ng location kasi na ganito. Ang bilis lang hanapin eh. Tapos katulad yan ngayon dyan, may event dyan, ang daming tao. So ang mga Pilipino, kapag gumagala, talagang kakain yan.
Hindi na tayo ito from Bangkok, Pattaya, sa Cebu, at saka yung mga US Navy.
O kasi ano dito, di ba? Anuhan ng barko? Pantalan kasi. Kahit na mga mga cruise ship, dumadaan dito minsan eh. Nung open pang Asia for cruise shipping.
Ang maganda pa dito, malapit lang yung mga hotels.
O, ang dami, may opod nga dyan sa likod eh.
Ang
dami.
Maraming nag-check in dyan na mga sigat yung Filipino. So, kumakain sila dito.
O, yun lang. Kasi hanapin talaga yan eh. Andun sa ating sistema yung di ba na kapag ka, like tulad ko punta ko ng Vietnam, i-search, may Filipino restaurant kaya dito. Ganun parang hinahanap kasi natin yung like the bangos. Di ba nung una kasi di ba hindi tayo makahanap ng bangos sa Thailand. Like lately na mayroon na siya sa Big C, mayroon ng ganyan. Pero nung una wala talaga. So hinahanap mo yan lagi. And then the pancit, kumo naman dito sa kanila ang pancit, pero iba pa rin yung pancit Pinoy yan. Thank you nanay ha, paunlak na makausap ka nanay. Nanay siya guys pero hindi pa po nanay siya. Tinawag lang po talaga siyang nanay ng karamihan ng lahat ng pumapasok, Nanay Wina. At may bago ng kaibigan ni ESC Variety Vlogs, ang Nanay Wina. So, one day, babalik ako talaga at babalik dito nanay. At baka may kasama na ako niyan. Hindi na ako alone. And thank you nanay ha. Thank you. God bless always. And thank you for this business. Congratulations!
Thank you!
Ayan, yun po ang ating Nanay Wina guys na pumayag natin makasama with this vlog. Paubos na. At mas lalong masarap. Shout out Nanay Ems. Alaala lang kita Nanay Ems kasi may buto yung bangus. Alala ko yung video mo. Kaya ulo. Pagdating dito sa bangus, ang pinaka-paborito ko talaga is the chan. Kaya kung kasama kitang kumain ng bangus, please give me the chan, okay? Mahilig ako talaga sa chan. Kahit pagdating sa tao, mahilig ako mag-unan sa chan. Kaya pagkasama kita, if I have to make your chan as my unan, so you have to understand. It's all empty, and before I have to end this video, shout out Luella Villarosa of Cebu. Isip lang taka kay isda kung ikaon. Anyway, for those Filipinos who will be coming to this restaurant, you can also avail of Filipino products. Like they have Silver Swan soy sauce, I can say there. They have like pancit canton, they have peanut butter, they have Nestle cream, and they have Graham crackers, and many in the display. So they even have tiki, and you can just come to this place and enjoy the food and Filipino products, which itataya ko masarap yung pagkain. Before I have to end this video, I have really to express my thanks, and I'm so happy today that I able to meet Nanay Wena, who is really, yun bang masasabi mong mayroon pa rin palang isang tao, isang Pilipino na matatagpuan mo sa ibang bansa na hindi opportunista? Because you know guys, with all this food that I had in the restaurant, buong inakala ko talaga is I have to pay like around 1,000 baht because I've been to many restaurants owned by Filipinos in Thailand and especially in Bangkok like that one, and I was really expecting that the price of the food that I had today is like 1,000 baht, but I was surprised that it was only 360. I will let you see the receipt of this, because even the bangus alone in Bangkok and many restaurants owned by Filipino is already 250 baht. But I was surprised that it's only 160, and the pancit and the lumpia included is just 360, which is very cheap. Nananibago ako. That's why I really talked to Nanay Wina, and I almost brought to tears. Kasi I found out that Nanay Wina is really a very friendly one, and what she told me is she established the restaurant for the masa. And that's why the price is like that. So, ang dami kong tinanong sa kanya, but it ended up na I found out na may tao pa pala talaga na gano'n, na hindi oportunista. Kasi di ba sa sinasabi ng karamihan eh, they don't have the choice but they have to eat because they miss this kind of food and they really have to order. So, iba po ang Nanay Wina, and with that, Nanay Wina, may salute to you, and sana dadami pa ang Pilipinong katulad mo na hindi nananamantala. And thank you really, Nanay Wina, and I love you always, and I hope to see you again with my other friends in Thailand. And I'm really highly recommended the Filipino restaurant in Sriracha, owned by, of course, Nanay Wina.